Hey, hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This reflects image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm still on the series of the Evoto AI application, and today we're talking about sky replacement. So I'm going to be changing the sky of these two pictures with just 3 clicks. And the beauty about it is that if you have about 100 pictures, you can do all at once also. You can do batch editing, batch sky replacement, batch retouching. It accepts everything. All you just need to do is just to make purchase to your premium file. But the free trial is going to allow you to do everything, but you won't be able to export the pictures. So just go and actually do what? Make purchase today. But if you want to actually try the software out before you make purchase, you can use the link down in my comment section, in my description, so that you can gain access to what? To get 5 coin. You can use to generate 5 pictures out of it. You can use to edit 5 pictures out of it. And if you want to get 20% discounts on whatever products you purchase from them, use the name Reflex Image. You're going to be getting 20% off for whatever you get from them. So now let's jump straight into business. All you just need to do is to do what? Click on what? Click on the background. We have the color, we have the face. This icon over here, it has everything to do with the retouching, both male, female, children, and everything. Frequency separation, dodge and burn, lips, and everything, etc. But we'll be diving into that today. That will be on another video. So today we're talking about just background changing. All we just need to do right now is to click on this background over here and come to sky replacement. Let's open this up right now. So if the picture does not have sky before, it's going to tell you that it can't actually find that. But since we have clouds here, automatically it's going to know that yes, this is what we need. So all you just need to do is to open the recommendations, scroll down and select the one you need. Let's see. Let's go with the first one first and see what it's going to give to us. And you see what it does this for us? It changes sky for us. If you don't like that one, go to the second one. If you don't like that, you can just keep on changing. And it's only going to affect where you just change alone. It won't affect the entire document. So pick the one that works best for you. I think I like this one the way it is right now. I think I like this one. Or let's see if we can see another color. Let's look for sunsets. Here's the sunset one. Here's another one. Here is another one. I think I'll go with this for the sunsets. Let's see. So once you're done with that, all you just need to do, you can even export your picture this way and you're good to go. But I love to do what? I love to blur out my skies a little bit. So I'll just click on the blur. I will increase it a little bit. And for the brightness, if you want to bring down the brightness or you want to increase the brightness of the sky, you can either do that. You can do either of the two. So let's bring it down. And for the saturation, you can decide to increase the saturation or you can reduce the saturation, whatever you see fit. Very, very simple and straightforward. There's some other option over there. If you want the sky to match with your subject, you can just come with. If you want the subject to match with the sky, just click on the human or you click on what? You click on the sky. Let's go back to the sky also. As you can see, it's going to blend in perfectly together. So, but I don't think we will be using the sunset because this picture is not related to sunset. Let's go and use the first one we made use of, which is the blue sky. Which one are we going to make use of? Let's click on this one, which is very, very nice. Let's look for this. This is also okay. Whatever one you want to use, just make sure you just select it there and just play it. That's all you need to do. And there are so many skies you can actually use from, which is very, very hyper realistic. So which one are we going to make use of? Let's make use of this one. And let's go and reduce the blur. Let's come back to the blur and reduce the sky blur. So that our sky is going to have more details. And now the beauty about it is probably you want to paste it on another document. All you just need to do is to do what? Click on copy. Click on copy. Then you do what? We only want our, what should I call it, background adjustment. So let's turn off this one. All we just want to copy is just the background adjustment. Then click on save. So assuming you have about 50 pictures here or so, all you just need to do is to highlight the first one, hold down your shift key, control shift, and click on the last one. All you just need to do next just to control V on it. You just have to wait and see what it's going to do for you. Automatically it's going to replace the sky for you. Very, very easy and straightforward. Let's see the result it's going to give us right now. And boom, look at what it did for us. It changed the sky for us perfectly without actually leaving any room for error. Very, very simple and straightforward. If you are shooting out of picture, I think this is actually the best sky replacement software for you. And the beauty about it, you just can, not only sky, you can just come here, retouch a picture, color grade your picture, color grade your skin tone, then export your picture from here. You don't even need to head over to Photoshop again. As long as you're not doing extreme manipulation the way I do, this is just another picture. Just do the color grading, do the editing, and you export. I hope this video helped. Trust me, there's still a lot to discuss on this software. There's still a lot to discuss there because I'm still yet to explore every part of it. But with the little I've actually explored so far, I loved it. And I know you guys are also going to love it too. So just give it a try and tell me what you actually feel, think about this software, and if you want me to create more video on it. So see you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out.